Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can screenshot on Android. So the method that should be the same for almost all Android devices or universal across all Android smartphones is to simultaneously press the volume down and power buttons, or excuse me, volume up and power buttons, or actually volume down or power button, what the hell? Yep. So my first sentence was actually correct. So you will typically need to press volume down and power buttons, but if that won't work in your case, try also volume up and power keys. So either of those methods should work. Then the majority of the smartphones will also allow you to take a screenshot by opening the control panel and tapping at the dedicated screenshot control. Let's first check if I have it added. No, I do not by the looks of it. So I will go ahead and open the control panel editing menu. Then look for the unused tiles list. And here specifically look for the screenshot shortcut or the screenshot tile, which I don't seem to have. And I think I recall that I guess all pixels does not allow you to capture a screenshot from the control panel, but all other manufacturers, all other device models typically should provide you with this opportunity, since as you can see I have the screen record tile but no screenshot button here, which is, well, absolutely normal. That can be the case with your device as well. Another method you can look for is gestures. So the quickest way to figure out if your device allows for gesture screenshotting is to open settings, then use search, and here simply input the screenshot query. Then if there are settings for taking a screenshot using a gesture, you will be able to find them right over here. The typical gesture for a screenshot is the 3-finger down swipe or the 3-finger down hold. But once again, those gestures are usually device specific. So for example, if I recall correctly, on the Xiaomi smartphones, you will have a knock gesture, or the knock motion, like I'm showing here, knock, which will allow you to take screenshot. With Samsung's, on the other hand, there is this very inconvenient, but, well, possible gesture you can use to screenshot, but mind you that those gestures typically need to be separately enabled from the settings. So once again, open search or settings search to be exact, and look for the preferences for gesture screenshotting. And while the Samsung gesture is palm gesture, so you will need to take the edge of your palm and then move it from one side of the display to another, like that. And well, I guess that covers more or less everything, I'd say. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye-bye.